Orlando Pirates' shock appointment of Abdisalam Odu as the new head coach has stirred debate across South African football circles, with critics suggesting the move was driven more by boardroom politics than footballing merit. The Moroccan tactician, who had a brief but a notable spell at Maromo Gallants, was officially named as the man to succeed Jose Rivero, who departed the Buccaneers to join Egyptian giants Al Ahly following the expiration of his contract. The decision, however, has not set well with everyone, including former Kaizer Chiefs star Junior Kanye. Kanye voiced his disapproval in an interview with the SNL24, questioning whether Abdisalam has the pedigree to manage a club of pirate stature, and said, I observed him at Maromo Gallants last season, and he did well, but Pirates is a different beast altogether. I believe Rural Mugwen and Pitso Mosimane would have been better suited for the role given the caliber of players at the club. Indeed, before Abdisalam's surprise selection, several high-profile names were linked to Soweto Giants, including former Mamelodi Sundowns coach Rulani and Pitso Mosimane, and even Manchester United assistant Benny McCarthy. Their omission, according to Kanye, raises questions about the motives behind the club's final decision, and said there's a feeling that management, particularly Ivan Khoza and Bomi Khoza, wanted someone they could easily influence when it comes to team decisions. Abdisalam may have impressed in stabilizing Maromo Gallants, but Pirates is a massive brand with huge expectations. Was he really the best candidate to succeed a coach who delivered multiple titles and revitalized young talent? Abdisalam guided Maromo Gallants to a respectable 10th place finish in just 6 months, showcasing his tactical awareness and leadership qualities. But Kanye insists the Moroccan should have stayed another season to prove his credentials further before taking on a role as demanding as Pirates. Despite the skepticism, the new coach will be granted the upcoming preseason to assess his squad, implement his philosophy, and attempt to build momentum ahead of the 2025-2026 campaign, with Rivero having set a high standard, both in silverware and playing style. Supporters will expect continuity, if not improvement. Fans and pundits alike will watch closely as Abdisalam navigates the early stages of his tenure. Can he silence the doubters, or will be another short-lived experiment in the Soweto Giants? Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.